Welcome back, everybody. There's the kiddo there. We are actually just launching from Oak Park. It's a free park. There's that one. He's tied to us. I decided to go kayaking today, and check this out. There's a little place right over there to go play and to jump off. Kiddo here is practicing his paddling. Hi! Everybody's safe and has their vests on. This one's a little big for me, but otherwise we're gonna go into the paddle harder, Oliver. Harder. Come on, there you go. Move the water. There you go. Move the water. Good job. Move the water. Awesome. So we're gonna practice today. It's kind of sunny. This is the last day until Oliver goes back to California to go back to school. So yeah, let's go see what we can find. All right, so we're upstream a little bit, and the kiddo's still paddling. He's getting it. So this river, the Tualatin, is not. He's not dragging. Then turn. There you go. There you go. You got it. You got time. Keep going. Awesome. So this river's nice because there's no motorboats that are allowed in this section, so it's good for stand-up paddle boards. It's good for kayaking, canoeing, swimming, hanging out. Like, it's kind of like a water hole type of situation. So yeah, it's nice and calm. That's why we have the kiddo back there. Say hi.
No.
Now, that's why we have him back there on the kayak to practice a little more. But yeah, there's not a whole lot to really film. Like, if I were to stick the GoPro. What?
I turned the boat again.
If I stick the GoPro in the water, I don't know if you'll be able to see anything. So let me wait till the kiddo here gets us into an area away from all these trees. There's a bunch of them. And all this over here. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Oh, he's dying. He's dying. So let me wait till we get over there, and then we'll try to stick the GoPro in the water and see if you can see anything. I don't know. There might be some fish in here you can see. It's not exactly clear. This right here, it's a little deeper than where it is over by the dock. By the dock, it's actually super shallow going all the way across the river. So it's kind of nice because you can walk all the way across. But here it's a little deeper, so we're gonna get ahead, and then I'll stick the GoPro in the water. See what we can find. All right, let's take a look. Oh boy, we got a traffic jam up there.
What the? I'm not steering, Mom.
I know.
You eating.
I'll steer. pirate's life for me. Pirate ducks. Quack, 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 quack. Dude, he's coming right towards us. Quack, quack, quack. Or she's coming right towards us, huh? They both are. Aw, this is so cute. Uh-oh. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
That reminds me of the ride.
I know.
This water feels nice. Nice way down.
Can you see anything over here? You guys see the crane back there?
Dude.
He's just hiding back there. Cool.
Where?
That's neat.
Where?
He's looking super. He's looking straight ahead.
Wow.
I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll have to zoom in when I edit this film. We're seeing wildlife. Like right here. A Sasquatch sitting in front of me.
Where? Oh.
What? I don't know, whatever. There could be fish by these dogs.
Yeah, and then they're not good. Look at all these plants. Uh-oh, hold on. Where? Okay, we're headed to... I'm going to bump into that wall.
Yeah.
You're fine.
Sorry if the sound is a little off every time I put the camera in the water. Just the way it goes, but we'll see.
What?
Dude, check that out. It's a slide right there at those people's house.
I know.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
then you can go jump in the water.
You could. That's crazy. I hear something over here in the bushes.
In the water.
Yeah. Careful, there could be spiders too. He wants to go into the tree, people. That one. Like, we don't have like alligators and things in the water here.
Mom, I've never seen a real alligator either.
I know, I want to see a real one, just not by my boat.
Alligators. Paddling.
Good job. It's paddling. I was wrong. Motorboats are allowed on this river. They're just not out right now. Ducks. Tualatin ducks. Quack, 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 quack,
Hey,
quack.
Dad. Take a
All right.
picture.
You guys ready?
Ready for push-off?
Ready for push-off. 2, 1. Hang on, he's kind of like, there we go. He's around on that side. Oh look, there's the ducks.
Yeah.
Sorry, duckies. Duckies. Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, real cool. Okay.
Let's see if we can see their little.
Hi, Ducky.
Look, I'm gonna put this in the water. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack.
How close did I see your boat, Charlie? Very close. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Hold on, I don't know. Where am I going?
I don't know.
Oh.
There they are. They're like, hey, that's our log.
Yeah, but we were just picking up your log ducks.
build a house there, like stake our territory, stake our claim.
Hey, what way are you going?
Yeah, Oliver is steering us into the Lazy Jane up there. Hang on, kids. And I don't know if I mentioned, this Oak Park here in Tualatin is free to use.
Free.
So yeah, free parking, you can launch your boat for free, all that good stuff up here in Oregon. So we are coming back to where we started. We're going to end this here. Hope you enjoyed this little quick trip on the water with us, and we will see you next time.